Hi, welcome to looking at the different Bluebeam REVU editions from our In Under 3 Minutes video series. There are three versions of REVU: REVU Standard, REVU CAD and REVU Extreme. All come with REVU Studio. Let's look at each of these in a little bit more detail. REVU Standard is the base tool for all 2D and 3D PDF markups, editing and collaboration. REVU CAD includes everything in the Standard edition, as well as smart plugins for AutoCAD, Revit and Navisworks for 2D and 3D PDF creation. Basically, it's a solution for CAD users. REVU Extreme includes everything in the Standard and CAD editions and is built for power users who want to automate complex processes and have access to more advanced tools, including OCR and PDF to forms, etc. REVU Studio allows multiple users using all editions of REVU to have access to and work on the documents at the same time within a project, meaning markups and other changes are instantly visible to all users viewing the document. So, in closing, if you want more information about Bluebeam REVU or need assistance in setting it up and using it, do not hesitate to contact Interscale at any time. Until next time, thank you.